All right, let's solve this question on the board. We have 49 raised to power x plus 49 raised to power x equals 14. Pay attention, let me show you how to solve this. Solution, we are asked to find the value of x. You rewrite the question 49 raised to power x plus 49 raised to power x equals 14. All right, we are going to apply this principle. A plus A equals 2A. So applying it to this now, we'll have it that 2 brackets 49 raised to power x. Are you getting me? 49 raised to power x plus 49 raised to power x is 2 49 raised to power x equals 14. Are you following? The relationship between 2 and 49 raised to power x is what? Is a multiplication relationship. So for us to make this a subject of formula, we divide both sides by 2. Pay attention. 2 can cancel 2, right? What do we have left? 49 raised to power x equals 2 here is 1, 2 here is 7, equals 7. Very simple. All right. 49 raised to power x, 49 is the base. 7 is something as 7 raised to power 1, right? So 49 also is the same thing as 7 times 7, which is 7 raised to power 2. So we have 7 raised to power 2x equals 7 raised to power 1. Are you following? The base can cancel itself since they are the same so that the powers can equate. We now have 2x equals 1. Divide both sides by what? 2. 2 can cancel 2. X equals 1 over 2 or half. This is the value of x. If you substitute x as 1 over 2 in this equation, it will give you 14. Are you following? So that is just how it is. Because if you now say, for example, 49 raised to power s, which is now 1 over 2, plus 49 raised to power s, which is also now 1 over 2. 49 raised to power 1 over 2 is the same thing as what? Square root of 49 plus square root of 49. Square root of 49 is what? 7 plus square root of 49 again is what? 7. 7 plus 7 gives you what? 14. That's why we have 14 here. So the value of x as 1 over 2 is 100% correct. Anytime you get an answer, try and prove it by going back to the equation, because as a result of this equality sign, everything on the left hand should equal everything on the right hand. Very simple. Kindly share this video and keep learning. Bye for now.